Hello guys. In this video, I'll share with you how to cut, copy, and paste on Mac. This is a very basic operation, and if you are new to Mac OS coming from Windows, you will definitely want to know this. First, I'll open two Finder windows. Let's get familiar with the copy operation on Mac OS. Instead of using Control-C like on Windows, we will use Command-C. First, select the files or folders you want to duplicate, then press Command-C. Next, move to your destination folder and press Command-V. Just like that, your files and folders are copied. It's very simple. You just replace the Control key with the Command key. Now, let's move on to the cut operation. Actually, macOS doesn't have a strict cut concept for files. Instead, it uses the concept of move, but it works exactly the same way. To do this, first press Command-C to copy. Then go to your destination folder. Because we don't want to just copy, we want to move the files entirely, you will add the Option key. Press Command-Option-V. Now the files and folders are moved from the original location to the new one. It is the exact equivalent of cutting on Windows. So remember, we don't use Command-X for files here. You can always press Command-Z to undo the previous action. Here's a quick tip. If you prefer not to use keyboard shortcuts, you can right-click the file and select Copy. Go to the destination, right-click, and you will see Paste Item. But here's the trick. If you press and hold the Option key, that Paste Item option will magically change to Move Item here. Click it, and it will perform the move operation. Another method is dragging and dropping. If you use your mouse to drag files to a new folder, here's how it works. If the original and destination folders are on the same hard drive partition, it performs a move. But if they are on two different partitions or drives, it performs a copy. In my case, both folders are on the Mac's internal drive, so it performs a move. I hope these tips help you master copying, cutting, and pasting on macOS. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos.